In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix common timing chain issues on a Toyota Yaris. If you're hearing rattling noises from the engine or noticing rough running, your timing chain might be loose or worn. First, listen carefully near the front of the engine for a rattling sound, especially when starting up. This is often a sign the timing chain needs attention. To fix this, you'll need to remove the engine covers to access the timing chain. Make sure the engine is cool and disconnect the battery before starting. Inspect the timing chain, tensioner, and guides for wear or damage. Worn tensioners or guides often cause slack and noise. Replace any worn parts with genuine Toyota components to ensure the best fit and performance. After installation, double-check the timing marks to make sure the engine timing is correct before putting everything back together. If this video helped you fix your Toyota Yaris timing chain, please like and subscribe for more practical car repair tips. Thanks for watching.